3, 2, 1. Ready or not, here I come. Really, Kimmy? Hi, Bean. Heel. Close. Stop. Wait.
Come here. Come on.
My name is Maximus Decimus Meridius.
My name is Jeff.
Who has the prettiest smile? Rio, smile.
Is it me? Am I the drama? I don't think I'm the drama. Maybe I...
Is that your dad?
Morning hugs.
Yummy, oh yes, hi. Hi. Oh no.
Give me that damn...
You ain't got them little mommy is. Oh no. Walter. Jesus. Well, boys, that is so sweet.
Chaos. Hi. Hi.
Don't huff and puff at me.
Come here, buddy.
Wait. Hold me here.
Back the way you came. Wow.
What the... Oh fuck.
Hey, Sandy. Vente, Sandy.
Feeling like she was alone or alone. You have traumatized so many of us.
Are you recording it?
You're trying to find.
What are you doing?
What the hell?
Do you want cheese? You want broccoli? Broccoli.
Tela, deixa eu ver seu smile. Let me see.
You want chicken dinner?
What?
Winner, chicken dinner?
Yes.
Wait. Wait. Wait.
Oh God.
Please don't be upset. It's just a baby cow. Look, it's just a baby.
What? What do you want? What do you want?
She doesn't want to play right now, Pino. Pino. She doesn't want to play right now.
I need to tell you something, but you gotta come here so I can whisper it to you. You look like a potato.
What are you doing? That is not how a dog sits, silly girl.
Milo.
Holy smokes, Milo.
Paco! You go woof. Yeah, like that. Woof.
Is we need.
You gonna stand in this corner until you act right. It ain't no motherfucking way why you keep on motherfucking doing that to my motherfucking couch.
You couldn't. How you gonna fucking yell at me and you pissed on me?
Why are you talking like that?
The door is Mars. Come here, big boy.